na mehwɛ sɛdeɛ ɛtɔ da bi a ɔman no ɛnɔma bi wɔ a yɛmfa ne serious na yɛtoto nɔɔma ase a na merɛ aho. Join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5 Facebook live on YouTube. Ubetumi adjoin here na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ. Wonim sɛ on the 24th of November 2025 ɛna ɛyɛ High Court in Tamale ɛde ɛyɛ ne mu a yɛbaeɛ ɛyɛ ruling sɛ Pandai seat no ɛyɛ Parliament member of Parliament for Pandai Matthew Nyindam ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ ɛkwan a abatoɔ 2024 elections no ɛfa so course no maybe anko in fact the NDC candidate a ɔde asɛm no court after the elections sɛ abatoɔ no susu sɛ no maybe anko yi from see ekeka matwo no ɛma ne bomu ye figures ne bomu no coalition no anko yi no maybe bebre hɔ irregularities bebre kɔ so ɛma all the police stations bɛbro bɛ 40 ɛde kɔɛ na ɔde court no court etietie mu ama High Court no ebu ayɛ sɛ enyinaso wo mu wɔn hu sɛ irregularities bi wo mu abatoɔ commission adwuma yɛ mu no ɛtɔsin kakra ɛnoɔma bi wɔ hɔ a anko yie ɛtɔɔkyi enti no court no ɛse aba no yɛnsa nto ne biem rerun na saa mu ayɛ yi ɛna kɔ dam na hyɛ bedwa efie hɔ na kyiamehen abansoma ne baben ɛtena adwa mu no emuaya a ɔde ba yɛ ne nyinaso a ɔde yi ho ano no efiri ɛyɛ Court of Appeal rules no CI 19 as amended CI 132 na ohwɛ rule 27.3 no a ɛma kwanya sɛ Jeff, you can put it there for me. ɛma kwanya ohwɛ 27 ɛyɛ 3 no a ɔse there shall in any case be a stay of execution of the judgment or decision or proceedings under the judgment or decision appealed from for a period of 7 days immediately following the giving of the judgment or decision. To read 3A no. Se court to be the say High Court. Emma ruling and answer we buasem. Na de ye buatia no bia wonte ne ho ase ne bi obekɔ appeal a. Appeal court rules ni kyerɛ sɛ enipa no a saa asɛm ne ebutia no no ɛsɛ onya akwanya within 7 days saa court no decision odi kan yeye no enisi ye de ye adwuma no ye twɛn so 7 days na nipa no nya akwanya na emra mu no tumi a ɔwɔ no otumi ɛyɛ na appeal na ɔkɔ nanim ewum na enumu ɛne atwerɛ wɔ ɛyɛ saa 27 rule 27.3A no mu it is Speaker of Parliament egyina saa wei no so ɛne wɔka sɛ nanka etwa sɛ saa day no ano wɔn declare say be a court ruling ni nti no ombeka se seat ni vacant nanso almost 7 days period because of the rule we emra we ni nti ahwe say Matthew Nyindam betimi exercise the right constitutionally na okay free 24th no ananka 1st December ananka 7 days grace period now betimi e de ayɛ de obɛyɛ wɔ mra mu no esie but Clerk of Parliament etro krata kɔma electoral commission dated 4th December o notify electoral commission say Pandai seat no vacant che say court ruling say abatoɔ na nko yie nti no saa abatoɔ no nsunsuaso ye ntimi mfa nya adwuma nti ento ne foforo na saa notice ya ɛkɔ ye no letter no na da Facebook no enti join Nhyira 104.5 Facebook page na follow discussions no na on the 4th now to say first crown and 7 days no AC. Eti after 2nd, 3rd, near drew 4th, and Sana Clark edit letter Ekoma Electoral Commission say, or notify and say seat no aye vacant. Ne koba sano, and na dom kume wom rashe be fie so omunti omo ho ase. Eti omu hia enura wom rashe be fie no. Nye ni behwe ewo. Nye ni behwe se I say as a kindergarten bi o de bra Facebook behe emrahye bi dwawo court yabobo tie honorable members behwe de omo ye wo parliament wo na in fact our parliament Baby a ekono ano eden. Baby a yedi emra hye bedwa no ekono ano eden. Hwemra hye bedwa ni pa hwehwede a woto no ho. Wo de bra Facebook behwe wani so ade. Hwede a woto no ho. Na hwestika rebabi omugina. And look at what they are doing over there. Awreho. Na me hwedi na me say enti we ye Ghana Parliament na ani. Yentimi nsesen adwene because this one ye kai the 8th Parliament in 2021. Ebra wo mu yi speaker adebechi 20 after 2020 elections no any ade no ebra wo mu yi speaker no ye hu de esi ye we condemned it. Say Parliament sa fisticuff any ye kuni ye bobo ye ho ye piapia ye ho ne ade no ye ntwa so na ye honorable house airtime eyade enye fe airtime ye keka ho nsem wa amra hwebedwafo na bi in interview na ye nu ye ho ye kura ye nim de kan ye ma ye be ye sa na ye say ya na ye say omo keka ne sa tra. And yesterday mra hwebedwani timi huri tra table e ko boni nuaso obi timi sesa paper omo use for the proceedings no na wa so no atoagu no otetim. This is the Parliament of Ghana. Any Parliament. This is shameful. This is very shameful. Ya won kwada school for kwada omutimi gura Parliament. Ekwohwe proceedings. Ya wa hoho bi omutimi nya opportunity betra ho gallery wo so mo hwe de ekoso Parliament. This is on television. Ewiase nyina hwe Ghana Parliament. Enti anya ni wu. See because a Ghana your Parliament honorable members it wo pa one year less than 18 years. This is very shameful to the House of Parliament. Ahini ye wenum akosua that one I happened in the 8th Parliament we thought it was done. Yenim see a lessons the disgrace that came upon Parliament. Implement me ho ase kura nia na see ye koni sei. Because the rules are clear and I medi kan share on. Now Jeff Safa rule ni ma me biem. Because the defense was that Matthew Nyindam appealing tino. Wa appeal etino enis kwan se nko mo trust akrata no. But look at rule 27. This is the amended amended CI 19 amended. CI 132 no. Or say an appeal shall not operate as a stay of execution. I repeat, an appeal shall not operate as a stay of execution or of proceedings under the judgment or decisions appealed against, except where the court below or the court otherwise orders. The Parliament has acted based on the law. Because the facts were quite appeal, no, and say when a state of execution, and there are records of it. Jachi Kwesi need any different case, but he went to court and he was seeking for stay of execution. By Yamfa after 7 days, you know, the Parliament declared his seat vacant. And these things your precedents any day. In fact, 28th July, on 7 days grace period, you know. As soon ya pepe when ya court order of stay of execution, they declared the seat. And you know, Parliament it declares it to be paying vacant. So this is not new to parliamentary proceedings or normal parliamentary. So won't tias ye kura. This is my problem. So won't tias ye kura noa. So we through ye blows wo. Nenchre die. If a parliament as if there's no leader in Parliament, as if there are no caucus leaders in Parliament, as if just a Parliament na koye kindergarten classroom and areho. These things must stop. Now I blame this all on our institutions. Electoral Commission, a commission which can even put figures, results of elections 3 times. No, who figure crowd it was common arithmetic, mathematics. Electoral Commission to me. Yeah, 2020 elections. What we have at war results. No, aside we have at war. No, or such a musa. Yeah, compute figures. Aki can boom. Electoral Commission. Said the Mukosu Yenina Simo Yeko. Our institutions must start revising normal omoye. No many changes man oman kwankai. Now, Parliament, media, this is my plea. I think that there should be clear rules that will state, say, after ABIA, the expiry of the 7 days automatic stay of execution, ABIA, within 48 hours, mutumi declare the vacant. Because as of that, and after stay of execution, there is no period. Nanka first neso. But let the no dated clerk the date on the 4th. Did you have a timeline? Mudibe declared that and answer to saying these things must be looked at. And the court, yenya court wa election petitions near the with me a fast tracking. So be ya win within a week or 2 or 3. Yetimi a pooling and area when 30 days yanke diama electoral commission within 30 days as would me conduct election appeal you cause the senka case near fast track here obi anywhere said be beshe woman buafu and bibi to me abasa. And so our institutions as it me and such a boy. That's how no man nature. But Parliament, the House of Parliament, must come out to apologize to Ghanaians. We are in Guasi, and these things must not be tolerated. At the end, 8th Parliament, now 9th Parliament. What is this? In Show 104.5, Mebana Eugene 82 album with the figures and background.